Hey guys, my name is Mousree and today we will learn that how to make this cool first sensing in Scratch Lab. It's like Squarespace, same thing. And let's see what happens so guys, if there is a face which looks like a neutral nothing, and then here in this side, in this corner, this is sad, this is happy, this is surprise, this is teeth, and this is YouTube. YouTube. And it's so funny. And then if my nose touches to of any of the sprites here, then like I touch the sad, it will be the face will change by sad. So let's see. Look, after 1 second it turns to neutral, but before 1 second it's set, and the sprites change color effect by 25, means the pink color. If I click on happy, like not click, just touch the nose. So surprise teeth. Teeth is funny, yeah. Teeth is funny. What we to do? We have to just draw the sprite. Okay, I also draw the sprite. Let's see what happens in YouTube. Oh, it's the full sprite turns into YouTube. It's YouTube button. Play button. This is cool, guys. Really cool. We can't see our face nicely, but we can see this face nicely. Okay. One, sad, happy, surprised, teeth in YouTube. Okay guys, now let's go to the code. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprites. So the first sprite is sad. The sad looks like this. This is the script of the sad. Let's go to here. This is happy, okay, the happy. And this is the script of the happy. And don't forget to broadcast not equal. Sad and happy. Let's go to the surprised. Okay, and yeah, let's go to the teeth, and yeah, this is the code. In every must be nose. Okay, and this is Scratch Lab, not Scratch. And this is nose, and this is the YouTube. Look, this is the YouTube. And this is the last one, means the character. In character there are how many costumes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says 6, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Missing 2. 2 is also here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there is no problem. There are these sprites. Okay, and this is the scripts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel and videos. Guys, bye bye and take care, and be happy as always. No, don't be sad.